we want to write a single logarithm for each one of these examples. Now, we need to do this in small steps or small increments. And we kind of want to do it in the reverse order in which we learned the properties. So we did the product rule, the quotient rule, and the power rule. So the first thing we want to do is undo the power rule. So if we undo the power rule, remember that now you're going to take what's out in front and you're going to put it as a power. So that's going to look like the natural log of x squared plus the natural log of x plus 5 to the 1/3. So now it doesn't look quite as scary, right? Now we know if we've got an addition sign between two logarithmic functions, that's actually going to be multiplication. So I'm going to get the natural log of x squared times x plus 5 to the 1/3. Now, is that an acceptable answer? As far as I'm concerned, it is. Is it exactly what every teacher out there is going to want? Probably not. Lots of them like for you to go ahead and write the radical. So if you did that, this would become the natural log of x squared, the cube root of x plus 5. The other way that's very accepted is to remove the parentheses around the x squared, and you can do that as well. So either one of those are the same. Now let's look at the one over here on the right hand side. I'm going to do exactly the same thing. I'm going to worry about my exponents first, so I have to undo anything in front. And when I undo it, that becomes log of x minus 3 squared minus the log of x. Now this time we have a minus. Remember, the minus looks like the middle of the division sign. So this becomes log of x minus 3 in parentheses squared divided by x. Now, do you need those parentheses that I put around the outside? Probably not, but I like to put those at least to begin with because I know for sure if I do, I've got them. Now, what about the last one? It looks like a real booger, doesn't it? But if we take that step-by-step approach, it's not as bad as it seems. So we're going to undo these. So these are going to all come back to their exponential form. Okay, so I'm going to rewrite that. And now I'm going to have log base b of x to the 1/4 minus log base b of 5 squared minus log base b of y to the 10th power. So far, so good. Now, I've got to figure out a way to get things together. Is there anything that can be put together? And the answer is yes. Remember, kind of, if you've watched some of my previous videos, we had one where we expanded over here on the right. So it would be easier if I could figure out where I need to put everything. So what if I rewrote this as just for division only one time? Well, if I did that, this would be minus parentheses log base b of 5 squared plus log base b of 10, or y to the 10th. So when I do that now, I can multiply what's inside here. And if I do that, I knew I'd run out of room, then you get log base b x to the 1/4 minus log base b, and now I'm going to multiply those. 5 squared is 25, so I'm going to get 25 y to the 10th. Well, I'm not done yet, right? It's still got a minus sign in there. So now what I need to do is I'm going to divide those. So this is going to become log base b of x to the 1/4 divided by 25y to the 10. Just like what I did in the first one, you may want to rewrite this with actually showing the radical. As far as I'm concerned, it's really not as big a deal. But again, if your instructor or whoever is doing it wants it, that's what you need to do. So either one of these would be your answer.